Hey there, Danielle here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your Patriot Pure Aqua-Bright. Now, the Aqua-Bright is an incredible 2-in-1 water bottle. You can use it to sanitize questionable drinking water, or you can use it like a lantern. It's perfect for gym bags, airport water fountains, or really any questionable drinking water. And don't worry, it's simple to use. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell next to it. That way, you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Let's start by charging it up. Make sure your Aqua-Bright is off, then pull back the waterproof cover underneath and connect the included USB cord to the charging port. You'll see a red light come on right here. That means it's charging. Once the light goes off, it's fully charged and ready for use. Now, let's fill up the Aqua-Bright. You can use practically any drinking water source. Don't fill it up with salty ocean water, for instance, but it can sterilize hose water or water from that gross airport water fountain. Today, I'm going to use it on my tap water. So now that our Aqua-Bright is filled up, we're going to sanitize the water. Your Aqua-Bright uses UV light to get rid of the gross germs hiding out of sight in the water. To turn it on, we're going to press and hold the power button right here for 3 seconds. And just like that, the UV lights are on and hard at work. The sterilizing process takes about 5 minutes, but don't bust out the stopwatch just yet. The red light right here will turn off once it finishes, so no timer necessary. Once it turns off, your water is safe to drink. Now, this is so much more than just a water bottle. It also doubles as a handy lantern. Let me show you how it works. We press the same button that we use to turn on the UV light. Simply click it once for low light, twice for medium light, and 3 times for bright light. And click it one more time to turn it off. And what's really neat is that it comes with a built-in clip right here on top. So you can clip it to your backpack on a hike or hang it up in front of your tent for a hands-free light. Okay, so now that we're done with our Aqua-Bright, it's time to pack it up. But check this out. Your Aqua-Bright is totally collapsible. So you can just squish it and tuck it away. In fact, you can squish it down to fit in your pocket. Can your current water bottle do that? Congratulations! You're now a Patriot Pure Aqua-Bright Pro. You know the ins and outs of this ingenious water bottle almost as well as I do. If you want more videos like this one, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Where will you take your Aqua-Bright? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.